Well, China has unveiled a bold new action plan aimed at stabilizing foreign investment following a sharp decline in foreign direct investment last year. Now, the move comes as Beijing seeks to counter growing economic challenges, including rising tensions and the United States. Let's delve into the details as China battles internal and external turmoil. Our next report gives the details.
China has announced a comprehensive new action plan aimed at stabilizing foreign investment amid ongoing trade tensions with the United States. The Chinese government revealed that foreign direct investment in the country fell by 27.1% in 2024, marking the steepest decline since the 2008 global financial crisis. In response, Beijing is taking steps to encourage foreign companies to reinvest by removing restrictions in manufacturing and expanding industries eligible for foreign investment. The government is also pledging to streamline cross-border mergers and acquisitions and improve intellectual property protections for international businesses. As part of its strategy to attract more foreign capital, the State Council has promised equal treatment for domestic and foreign-funded firms, particularly in government procurement processes. In a bid to enhance business conditions, Beijing is also simplifying regulations for foreign workers and easing their ability to live and work in China. The Chinese government's efforts come at a time when foreign company employees in China have dropped to a 14-year low. Despite the downturn, China saw a nearly 10% year-on-year rise in newly established foreign-funded enterprises in 2024. Looking ahead to 2025, China is focusing on driving economic growth through increased domestic consumption, especially in sectors like artificial intelligence, healthcare and tourism. With global uncertainties exacerbated by rising US-China tensions, Beijing has also launched initiatives to boost consumer spending. This includes subsidies for electronic devices and support for the winter sports industry. The government strategy is designed to mitigate the impact of falling exports and declining foreign investment, positioning domestic consumption as a key pillar of economic recovery. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.